Welcome to our tutorial on how to use search filters with Anywhere on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, type your search query into the search box located at the top of the Twitter page. After entering your search query, the search results will present you with a variety of content, including posts, photos, accounts, and more. To expand the scope of your search results to show content from anywhere, click on the Search Filters option. Within the Search Filters menu, choose the Anywhere option to filter the results without any geographical limitations. By utilizing the Anywhere filter, you can explore and engage with content from various locations and broaden your search horizon on X, Twitter, on your PC. Thank you for joining us. We hope this tutorial has been informative in demonstrating how to use search filters with Anywhere on X, Twitter, on your PC. Enhance your search experience by accessing content from different regions and connecting with a diverse range of tweets and accounts.